Okay. Well, hello, my YouTube viewers. How are we doing out there today? As you can see, today in the video, you won't be seeing me at all. We're just going to go straight into the product. And as you can see before your very eyes, we're going to be unboxing the, what's it say, Surf on tablet. Let's see what's it. I can't see that very well. I'm going to bring this up to the screen so I can look at it. I can see it better. Because it's the Surf on tablet Gen 2 with Android. So we got Bluetooth here. We do have the On tablet right there. And this is actually sold at Walmart. That's right. So it's basically the Walmart brand of tablets. Yes, Walmart has its own line of tablets. And we've got some specs right here we can take a look at. And like I said, like it says here, this is the Gen 2. So it's the second generation of the On tablet. And I do believe that you can have accessories with this. I do believe that you can buy a keyboard and things like that. So I didn't buy any of that. So we do have the tablet right here. Take a look at it with my magnifying glass. I'm going to pull it out of shot real quick here. So we're going to read some specs here. Okay, so we have an 8-inch LCD touchscreen, 32 gigabytes of storage with a micro SD slot storage expansion. Okay, so you got that. So yeah, 32 gigabytes. That's the internal storage, and then it's expandable. So we also have a 2.0 quad core processor, 2 gigs of RAM. And we have, supposedly it says up to a 9-hour battery life. We'll see about that. And preloaded with Walmart apps, and Walmart Voodoo, and Sam's Club. Okay, so yeah, we got that. Okay, so here's the specs here. This is what I'm reading from. I pull it out of the shot because I have to see it with my magnifier. So I am legally blind. So I make that disclaimer. So anyway, and we also do have, so I have to hold it up really close. So we also do have, okay, we have, in this one we're running Android 10 Go Edition, and it's a 8-inch at 1280 by 800 resolution LCD touchscreen. Okay, and I did say that 2.0 quad-core processor. Okay, 3.7 volt, 400 milliamp battery with 9-hour life. Okay, I said that. So these are just the specs right here. 32 gigs of internal storage. Of course, it's expandable. Okay, we do have a 2 megapixel front-facing camera, so I imagine the camera's not all that great. Plus a 2 megapixel rear-facing camera. Okay. And let's see here. So what you get in the box is you get one 8-inch tablet, AC adapter, a USB-C charging cable, 3.28 foot, 1 millimeter, something like that. That's the cable. And one quick start guide. So those are all the specs right here for you guys right here, for all of y'all right here. Yep. Just reading all that right there. So we have the tablet here, and as like I said, it's preloaded with Walmart and Sam's Club. So this is more geared. It is a stock Android. It's stock Android. It does have Android 10, but as you can see, it is kind of a sort of locked into, not really locked into, but it revolves around the Walmart ecosystem because it's preloaded with Walmart and Sam's Club and all that stuff. So I would say this is kind of like almost like Amazon's equivalent, Walmart's equivalent of the Amazon Fire tablet, which I do have right here. This is my Fire tablet right here, my Amazon Fire tablet, which I've had for quite some time. And I do use this thing to control my Echo, my smart speaker there. Alexa. Yeah. So I use the Amazon app to control that, and I use it to read my ebooks, any ebooks that I get from Amazon, and for Audible trials. So so I have multiple devices for multiple things. Yeah, I'm not really one guy to have one device for everything. That's not me. I'll have one device for this and one device for that, one device for that. I mean, though you can do everything on one tablet. You can do Amazon on here if you wanted to, but anyway. So let's get it open. So we are 4 minutes into the video. So let's get it open. We get the box open here so we see how we get it open. And they're calling this the Surf tablet. Not to be confused with Microsoft Surface, which we know that, but we'll get this open. We'll open this up real quick. Normally, what I've done in previous videos is I normally would take the plastic off and just have it all unwrapped and ready, but I figured this time I would do a full unboxing from start to finish. I haven't done that in a while. Usually it's, because I figure that it saves time. I don't really know how many of y'all would really want to see the unwrapping of the plastic and all that, but okay, so we'll do that this time. So we've got it here, there, like crinkling sound of the plastic over there. All right, and here is the tablet. We'll put this knife out of the way. And I also do have a 64 gigabyte card that I'm going to put into this, so that 32 gigs is easily expanded. I think they say you can expand it up to 128 or 256, if I'm not mistaken. So let's get this open right here. And this is just going to be, like I say, sort of just a small, it's very basic. I didn't need anything too fancy. Okay, let's pull that out. See if we can pull it out. Am I going to have to tear the box? I really don't want to do that, but... So what I want to do is this is basically just going to be sort of like my extension to my phone. So apps that I don't really need on my phone will go on to this as much as I can fit on there. Yeah. So that's what we'll be doing. And maybe we will try some game emulation on here. We'll check it out. I did see ETA Prime. ETA Prime, I did see him do a review on an ON tablet. I'm not too sure if it was this tablet that he was reviewing or if it was another one. But he did do some emulation, and it seemed to have worked. Not the best performance, but it did work for some games. So maybe we'll try that out. And this thing does not want to open, so I probably am going to have to tear the phone. No, it opened. Never mind. All right, folks, so here we go. There you go. Let's get this going. Let's open up this tablet. And here we go. As everything just pulls right out. Nice packaging for Walmart. Nice big green box. Everything just slides out right there. That's sorry for bumping that camera. So there it is right there. That takes care of that. And in here, everything just kind of pops open. Just like this. And there it is. So we are greeted with the ON. Oh, everything's all green. I thought Walmart was a blue theme, so everything's all green and yellow. So we have here the on-screen guide. Well, not the on-screen guide. What am I saying? What in the world am I saying? The quick start guide. So here we are. So it's an 8-inch tablet. Quick start guide that some of you read. A lot of y'all probably won't read. I know how to use a tablet, so will I not read this? Well, I don't think I have to read this, but I will, just for sake, just to go over it. And then so we do have another little book here. So I think this is your quick start, and then this is your product guide. So this was probably the one that goes into more detail on how to do stuff on the tablet. Should be pretty simple right there. So we've got that right there going on. And let's see, nice illustrations. Walmart, they do a good job with their quick start guides and product guides. They do good with that. So, all right, and now next, as we drill down further into the box, now we have the actual tablet right here. The tablet right here. We'll take a look at that in a while. We'll leave that on the side. And we also have the birthday song playing in the background. It's not anybody's birthday, but it's just I got some videos playing over there in the other room. So, okay, so we do have here, let's see what we got here. Let's see. So, I think I have a code here for 5 movie credits from Vudu. Yeah. So I thought Walmart sold out Voodoo. I'm not sure if they're still owned by Walmart. But anyway, 5 movie credits here, so you get that. So obviously there's a barcode or a download code, something on the back, which I'm not going to show that because I might use it. So let's see what else we got here. 70% off on ebooks and audiobooks. Visit Walmart on offer. Okay, so yeah, Walmart's see Walmart, they have their own ecosystem. I guess they're competing with Amazon because they also have ebooks and audiobooks as well. So yeah, this is just a little thing. We'll take a look at that. And they've got a lot of stuff in here. It's grocery pickup and all that stuff. See, so this is all, as you can already see, that this tablet definitely revolves around Walmart. Since the on brand is Walmart, so yeah, it's kind of almost the equivalent to Amazon Basics. And that's about all we have in here. There's really nothing else in here that I can see. No, that's it. That's just it. That's just nothing else down there. All right, so that's it. We got everything out of the box. And now we will take a look at the tablet. Let's take a look. Let's see what we got here. So we're at about 11 minutes. I'm thinking we're about 11 minutes. Yeah, okay. So here we are. And you pull it out of its nice plastic case. Ooh, got a nice little cover there. All right, we got that. So we'll put that back in the box right there. Okay, we'll take a look at the tablet right here real quick. So as we can see, it's got sort of a matted, textured plastic back. So obviously it's plastic, it's not metal. There's the rear-facing camera. So I've always heard that these cameras are not all that great. And for about $60, $69, they're you're not going to get a lot. So we have a protective sticker here, or a little temporary screen protector. You can pull that off, just to, during shipping, so nothing happens to it. There's the tablet right there, all brand new with a rear, front-facing camera right there. No flash on these things at all whatsoever. But okay, so we look at the top right here, and we actually do have, I think this is the card slot. I'm not too sure. It looks like the card slot. Let's see here. Let's see if I can pull it off shot and look here with my magnifying glass. So yes, on top we have the card slot. We have a rocker. We have the card slot, the headphone jack on the top. So up on top we have here, this is your card slot. This is where you put on your card. This is a headphone jack. And on the side we have what are, I think, rocker switches. Yes. That's the volume and the power button right here. Volume and power right here to the right hand side. Down here there's nothing. And to the bottom we have the speaker, which looks like one mono speaker right there. And I think a microphone. And the USB, I think it's USB-C, yes. USB-C, yes it is. That's what it said in the specifications. And that's about it right there. There's nothing on this side. We have a micro slot there, so there is no SIM card slot on here. Well, there wouldn't be. My fingerprints are already on there. So let's see if it's got some power, and we'll see if we can see how this thing turns on. And it does. There's the on brand. It's right there. We got it turned on right there. Booting up for the first time. Right, so we're at about 14 minutes. And we wait, and we get a charger here. Pretty nice charging brick. It's got some good quality there. A short USB-C cable, which I'll probably be using my own. I have better cables than this. Much longer ones, too. And of course, there it is. That's how it boots up. And there is your startup right there. So that is the startup. Now, I would normally go through the startup, but let's see, we're at about 14 minutes. So it'll probably ask me to, you know, the setup. This will probably be another, what, 5-10 minutes setup. So yeah, that's about it, folks. So we're gonna call it quits right here in this video, and that's all of what you get in the box right here. You get the tablet itself, a lot of paperwork, a lot of literature and stuff, and that's about it. In size comparison, it is pretty much, it says it's an 8-inch, so there it is right there next to my Amazon Fire tablet. And yeah, pretty much the same size. Although to me it looks like the Fire tablet looks a little wider. Let's see. It is a little bit, not by much. Not by very much, but it is a little bit. I knew it had something that looks a little wider. I mean, to me it looks like it does, but it sort of is, but not by very much. I would imagine the screens. The only thing that's wider is probably just the bezel on the Amazon. So anyway, folks, that's about it. So you all take care, and I will see you all in my next video. And yeah, all right, folks.